In America for you, America, we know what we're going to do. Meters and kilograms, all I own. Liters and kilograms, liters and kilograms. We've always been 10. Look at your hands. Length, volume and mass. Everybody knows that we've got 10 toes, and 10 toes, and 10 fingers and toes. We've got the whole world to live in a land of American metric. We've got the whole world to live in a land of American metric. Whoa, around the world, now we know why. A system that's international is called SI. We've got the whole world to live in a land. In a land of from New York to LA. And now,
ain't what it used to be. Hey, the rain has changed and so is gasoline, you'll see. 10 by 10 by 10 might ease your life for us. And now we feel the weather in South Seas. You've got the time, it's the metric.
Simply make a cube from 1/10 the base unit meter and fill it with water. It has the capacity of exactly 1 liter and the mass of exactly 1 kilogram. Do it with me now. Make a cube 1/10 the unit meter. It's the volume of exactly 1 liter. It's the mass of exactly 1 kilogram. To please us, water boils at 100 and at 0 it freezes like a door. It has 100 cents. You can bet your centy dollar that it does make sense worldwide in the metric system for you and for me. Simple, convenient, accurate.
That's how it works. The metric system. It's based on 10. Times 10. First, you count to 10. Of whatever you have handy.
It's all related in 10.
Convenient prefix attached to base unit shows quantity, size, or value in tens, 100s, and thousands.
Writing is easy. Symbols identify prefix and base unit together. For most everyday experience, useful prefixes are kilo, 1,000, centi, 1/100th, and milli, 1/1000th. Longer distance, kilometer.
Not kilometer.
The length of 60 train cars is about 1 kilometer. There are exactly 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Longer distances are measured in kilometers. Longer distances like roads.
Kilometers can measure lakes or rivers, going to work or holiday.
Yes, even a jog around the park can be measured in kilometers.
On the road again, a car traveling at 90 goes 90 kilometers per hour.
A trip across is a long distance, from coast to coast, about 7,600 kilometers across. There are exactly 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer.
Not kilometer.
Meter is the unit for length. Longer distance, kilometer.
It's logical.
Did you know you can divide a meter by exactly 10 equal parts?
Make a cube of it to fill with water. It has the volume of 1 liter, and it is the mass of 1 kilogram, all simply related.
At home, around the world.
The metric system used is SI. The international system.
It works in 10.
That's how it works. The metric system. It's based on 10. Times 10. Times 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
American metric. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Had I known that you were dressed like this, I probably wouldn't have come out at all. But I think this is a wonderful thing you're doing. Obviously, you are attracting attention of adults and children alike to help explain in kind of a fun and amusing way what the metric system is all about.